Welcome back to Cooking with Frenchy, cooking and baking made easy. This week video it's a tip and technique on how to clean and peel lobster or crayfish tail safely, and also to remove their guts without damaging the flesh. So before we start, make sure you subscribe as usual, you change your notification bell setting, you give me a like, and you check also under the video in the show more description. There's many other links to my recipes. So let's get started and let's do this after this. In this video, I'm showing you how to safely remove the tail of a lobster, but to remove the shell of the tail. This will save you time and also save your fingers to get cut or little pain here and there. Most of the people squeeze the shell of the lobster and try, like I do now with my thumb, try to peel off like a prawn. It's too hard. Best way is to get some nice kitchen scissors and slightly put the scissors just against the flesh at the belly of the tail and cut on both sides. Then you just remove the belly part of the shell, nice and gently, and with your thumb get at the back of the shell, put your thumb into it, grab the flesh gently and pull. And as you pull, you will actually remove also the guts from the flesh. So that intestinal tract that you find in prawn, lobster, crayfish, and you remove them. And that's for one. So you see, nice, easy, simple, quite fast and efficient. You can give it a bit of a trim. I personally keep my shell and heads of lobster to make a lobster stock or broth. There is another recipe on my YouTube channel or on my website at cookingwithfrenchy.com. So again, slide inside the scissors, not too deep, more against the shell, and start to cut as you go towards the end of the tail. Peel. Pull that belly shell side, put your thumb at the back, grab well, gently pull and remove the shell, and at the same time you will remove the intestinal tract. That's a great tip and technique, and again, I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and now it's to get ready to cook your beautiful lobster tail.